Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you how to transfer USDT from your Remitano wallet to your Bybit wallet. So this process, I'll be teaching you how to deposit on your Bybit wallet. So all you need to do, go to your Bybit account. Then you click on deposit and you choose deposit crypto. Then you select USDT. So don't forget to select TRC20 as the network chain. TRC20. As you can see, click on OK. You can see your wallet has been generated for the deposit. Okay, so now copy your USDT wallet address, then you go to your wallet account, then you click on withdraw. You click on withdraw. So you should send via, you should select send via crypto network. You select it, and on your USDT address you paste your USDT address here, and your network chain here you put TRC20. You can see TRC20, and select amounts. Okay. Select amount TRC20. As you can see, it's the same network chain. Make sure you need to make sure that the network chain is the same network chain you are sent to is the same network chain you generated. Okay, you need to make sure, if not your money will be lost, your coin will be lost if you send to another network chain. So you click on submit and you click on withdraw, then you confirm your withdrawal. As you can see, it has been sent. The status, as you can see, it has been sent successfully. When you hold on till it arrives on your Bybit account, go back. As you can see, it has been sent. So all you need to do is to hold on for it to reflect. As you can see here, you have one deposit request pending. So your deposit is on its way. You just wait for it to confirm. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the like button, and please share this video. Thank you.